How to show or hide certain edge panels on the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on display. After that, we scroll down. In here, tap on edge panels and then we scroll down. Now make sure the edge panel is turned on. Then tap on panels. From here, tap on the more button. Then tap on hide on lock screen. Then on this page, you can choose which panels to show or hide. So if you want to show all the panels, you can tap on the toggle button to switch it on all the panels. Otherwise, you can switch it off and only show people in this example. And after that, you can tap on the back key and then tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. So on my lock screen here, if I swipe across, you can see I can only view certain panel and everything else is locked. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.